I'm going to be making a Joy Christmas sign on a piece of shiplap, so I thought I would share the process with you. So a little bit about Joy. It comes in horizontal and vertical, as well as large and small, and it also has an optional ornament kit so you can replace the O's in Joy. For the large sizes, the 3 ornament options are on separate sheets. You can purchase them separately or together for a slight discount. And what this is a ribbon and a hook, so you can hook on the J and hang the ornament. Since I'm doing the letters in white, I think the Snowflake is the perfect candidate to replace that O.